Hello and welcome to the walking talking topic on simultaneous equations, question number 3 with me, Mr. Barton. Now we've seen ones like this before. They don't tell us it's simultaneous equations, but there's little clues. You must use an algebraic method, and just the way the question's set up, where you've got two unknown things, adult tickets and child ticket prices, and two equations, that's teeing you up nicely to sense that it's a simultaneous equation style question. So let's have a look here. Evans and the Smith family go to the cinema. Evans' family buys 2 adults and 3 child tickets for £31.60. Smith buys 1 adult ticket and 2 child tickets for £18.60. Find the cost of an adult and a child ticket. Okay, well, we're used to setting it up by now. So 2 adult tickets, let's call that 2A, where A stands for the price of the adult tickets, and 3 child tickets is going to come to £31.60. The difficulty here is going to be dealing with these decimals, but I think we'll be alright. Smith family buys 1 adult ticket and 2 children tickets, and in total that comes to £18.60. Well, there's our 2 equations. Well, this is going to be quite a nice one actually, because equation 1 I can leave exactly as it is, and equation 2, if I double it up, if I take equation 2 and times it by 2, I think I'm going to get the same number of adult tickets as I've got in equation 1. So I'm laughing. So I'm going to just leave equation 1 as it is. I always like to just write it out so it's all nice and neat. And then take equation 2 and double it. So 2 adult, 4 child, and double 1860. Don't make a mistake here. Double 18 is 36. Double 60 is 120. So I think that's going to be £37.20. Now, put a box round the letter that you've made the same. What's the sign in front of them? Well, they're both positive, and if the signs are the same, we subtract to get rid of the box. Now I'm going to use the same trick that I used in question 1, and I'm going to subtract them the other way. I'm going to do the bottom, equation 2, take away equation 1, because it's going to keep things nice and positive. So I'm going to do 4c, take away 3c, which is going to leave me just with the 1c. Excuse me. Then I'm going to do £37.20, take away £31.60. Now, it is not worth gambling on this, because if you mess this bit up, it's going to mess up your price of your adult ticket as well. So I'm going to just take my time and do a little subtraction here. 0 takes 0, I'm alright at that one. 2 takes 6, I'm going to borrow 1 off him, change him to a 6 and him to a 12. 12 takes 6 is going to be 6. 6 take 1 is going to be 5, and 3 take 3, gone. So, child's ticket, £5.60, I reckon. What's the price of an adult ticket? Well, let's use equation 2 to figure this out. You can use any equation, of course. Adult plus 2 child is going to be £18.60. We now know that a child's ticket is £5.60. So adult plus 2 lots of £5.60 is going to be £18.60. What's 2 lots of £5.60? Well, 2 lots of a 5 are a tenner, and 2 lots of 60 are 120, so I think it's going to be £11.20 equals £18.60. And let's got a nice little equation here. Take £11.20 off both sides, so we lose £11.20 from there, and we get £18.60, take off my £11.20. That's a bit of an easier one to do. You could maybe do that in your head if you want, but you might as well just do it on here. £7.40. Now, once again, are you a gambler or are you wanting to check it? I'm always keen of checking. So I'm going to use equation 1 just to check whether my numbers are looking good here. So equation 1 says 2 lots of the adults plus 3 lots of the child equals £31.60. I reckon I've got a price for the adult, that's £7.40. I reckon I've got a price for the child, that's £5.60, and I'm just hoping when I work them out it's going to come to £31.60. So 2 740s, 2 sevens are 14, 2 40s are 80, so that's going to be £14.80. 3 lots of 560. 3 lots of £5 is £15. 3 lots of 60 is 180. So I think that's £16.80. I'm really hoping this is going to work out. Let's add those two things together. We've got 14 and 16. That's £30. And we've got 80p and 80p, which is £1.60. £31.60. I've got it right. Only thing I've got to do to finish is I've not actually written down what the price were, because I've just put it in terms of A and C. So child is going to be £5.60. Adult is going to be £7.40. Cinema prices are expensive these days. Anyway, done and dusted.